Ever wonder what a little R&R looks like for one of the UK's most talked about couples? Let's take a look at Molly-Mae Hague and Tommy Fury's recent escape to Dubai. It's safe to say they know how to do luxury. The couple kicked off their trip in style, soaring first class on Emirates. Molly-Mae documented the journey, balancing work on her YouTube channel with enjoying the flight amenities and enjoying the flight too. Tommy joined in the fun, playfully posing for videos, while Molly-Mae showcased the luxurious experience. A little in-flight entertainment never hurt anyone. Their destination, the stunning Jumeirah Marsa Al Arab Hotel, with rooms ranging from 550 pounds to 1,500 pounds a night. It's a true haven of indulgence. The resort boasts an impressive array of features: 11 restaurants, a 3-story spa, 4 pools, and a private beach. Top it out options. Molly-Mae shared glimpses of their room, highlighting the spacious bed and sleek bathroom, a perfect space to unwind and recharge. Stepping outside, the view was breathtaking. The iconic Jumeirah Burj Al Arab stood majestically in the distance. A picture-perfect moment. This trip was a child-free zone for Molly-Mae and Tommy. A chance to reconnect and enjoy some quiet time after the whirlwind of parenting. Molly-Mae recently shared the challenges of motherhood, especially with little Midas experiencing feeding issues and reflux. It's been a tough time. She's been open about how demanding it is, juggling a toddler and a newborn, admitting this trip might be her last foray into baby days. It's honest and relatable. She described Midas screams during feeding as heartbreaking, and the digestive issues as adding to the already demanding journey. It's a raw look at reality, but she's candidly admitted to feeling overwhelmed at times, but also immensely grateful for her family. A beautiful balance of honesty and love, and it's a reminder that even amidst luxury and glamour, parenthood comes with its share of challenges. A little bit of self-care is essential. And speaking of challenges, did you hear about Molly-Mae trying to teach Tommy how to fold laundry? Let's just say it didn't go as planned. Apparently, he thought socks were optional. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,